saw like 3 or 4.
Yeah.
Is that A? What's A? Here.
Yeah.
All the way down, that one's all the way up. So let's see what it is. Crimp will get the top. What happened? Yeah. Change the socket for the bottom. Slide out.
No, your side.
No, just open it.
These are probably the other side. Or I guess it doesn't matter. Does
I
it?
don't think it matters. Is it going to go? Yeah. See how it goes? Those rails?
Oh.
Need 2.
So yeah, that means you actually got to pull it out a little bit.
So no.
This is gonna be. You're definitely gonna have to pull it out. Yeah. Like,
Lift it.
okay.
Where do we want to put it?
You could. I guess you could see how far out you want to slide it.
Just hand tighten as much as you can and put this up here.
It is.
Before you start hammering it home. I think what I'm also going to do, I'm going to get a ratchet just to...
Yeah.
Wow. I'm going to love that.
Alright guys, so we are back with the 2005 Toyota Tundra. We got the running boards on them. It's the next day. You can kind of see how they look. And they're actually full aluminum. And they're holding up pretty well, obviously. They're bolted in really nicely. So that's kind of how it looks on the side profile. Look at that. Both sides. I think it looks really nice. I'm gonna go ahead and stand on it here. If you guys want these, I'll put a link in the description so you can check them out. Not sure how many. Actually, you know what, dude? I think these fit on like the 2005 all the way to 2017, I think. Or maybe the body style is different. But that's kind of how it looks, and they're really, really nice. See y'all later.